sniffing, got my fuck with ya. Backwood looking, propane dripping. Hey YouTube, so today I'll be recording my second Deva cut. It's been 7 to 8 months so far that's passed since I got a Deva cut. And this is how my hair looks dry, because as you know, before you go get a cut you need to wash your hair and let it air dry. And it's completely different than the first time, obviously. But I think this should be my last cut. I think I only needed 2 because the first time I cut a lot of hair. But I'm gonna get that cut today and I'm gonna show you how it looks, and I'm gonna show you everything you missed in between. So months 1 through 7 or 8, because I got my cut January 2nd, so I think it's gonna be like 8 months. But I'm gonna show you my little hair journey. So I'll see you guys in a few. I am walking to Candace. I like always get lost when it comes to finding this place, like always, because I have no sense of direction, especially in Manhattan. God, look at that people coming in. I hate myself. But once I get there, you guys will see. So I'm here and I'm back for my second cut. You guys remember Candace, right? Time to cut some more hair off.
No, you haven't. I just found this online on the internet.
Are you gonna cut more or?
No, I'm done.
Are you done? Okay. Way shorter than the last time. So this is my second cut compared to my first one. My hair is so short, oh my god. But I'm gonna compare it, like I'm gonna put a little video so you see how my hair looked when I got my first cut. Thanks again, Candace. Hey YouTube. So it's been, what's today? I think today's Friday. So it's been like 4 days since I got my second Deva cut. I just washed my hair myself today because I go to the gym every day, so I need to wash my hair more frequently. And this is how it turned out, with a wash and blow myself, obviously. So basically what I wanted to talk about is, oh my god, look at my hair, it's on my face. What I wanted to talk about is how I wash my hair. Right now, I was thinking about making a video about how I wash my hair, and I wanted to know if you guys were up to that. If you want that video, make sure you comment below and let me know so I can make that. And I'm gonna make a video about the products that I use on my hair. It's not much. I use 3 things on my hair, super simple, and a blow dryer, and that's it. Don't pay attention to my chipped black nail polish. I don't know what I was going through. But so I'm not sure if I mentioned this the day of the cut, but this is ultimately my last cut. I need to go back for a trim. She told me to go back in like December, just to trim like the ends, but I pretty much got all the dead hair out. If you notice, this cut is completely different than the last cut. Completely different. Like, I'll show you right here how my last cut ended up. And I'm also gonna like post videos at the end of this video of like month 2, month 3, month 4, and you'll see like it took me a while to notice that I literally had like a lot of dead hair at the bottom and it was weighing my hair down. Like now when my hair is wet, it's still curly. Before it used to be just like straight down and stuff, you know, but it's still curly. It's so short, I'm still not used to it. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. Like it's only been 4 days, but still sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. It's different, it's really different. But I'm kind of glad I got this cut now where I'm not as heavy as I used to be. But yeah, so please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more hair updates.